Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to submit POA Form 2848 to IRS online. To submit IRS Form 2848, Power of Attorney and Declaration of Representative online, go to the IRS website and search for Submit Form 2848 online. Click the link for either the IRS Tax Pro account or the Submit Forms online portal. Sign in using your IRS account, id.me, or login.gov credentials. Once logged in, choose Submit Power of Attorney and either fill out Form 2848 directly online or upload a completed PDF. Enter your representative's name, CAF number, and select the specific tax years and matters they are authorized to handle. After reviewing the information, e-sign the form and submit it electronically. You'll receive a confirmation message once the IRS has received your submission, and your power of attorney will be securely filed online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.